What's up, you guys? It's your girl Loverly, and I am back with another video. You see the thumbnail and the title. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a quick and easy basic balloon tree. I call it balloon tree, and a lot of other balloon artists call it balloon tree. You guys might call it something else. Some people might call it balloon columns, but in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a balloon tree. So if you'd like to see the full tutorial, please stay tuned to the end of this video. If you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me your feedback down in the comment section below. But without further ado, let's just get straight into this tutorial. Before we get into the tutorial, guys, remember a couple months ago, I used this balloon pump. It's from Medium. And the company that made it is called Balloon and Paper. It's another balloon company, and they opened up like a event product line. So in that video, the machine, which was pretty new, it was giving me like some issues, and I reached out to them and they sent me a brand new pump and an updated pump, and I've been using it for a couple weeks because they sent it like a couple weeks ago, and I've been using it and I've had no issues at all. They also went ahead and sent me some of their other products from their line, and I just want to show you guys some of the products that they have in store now. So their line really gives me like a luxurious feel. Like, this is the ruler that I got from them. It's heavy duty gold, and it came with a tassel. The hand pump also came with a tassel. And I got a scissors. Ooh, this is kind of heavy. I love it. So this is your scissors. Same color scheme, gold and gray. Feels like really good quality. And this is their tape dispenser. Very fancy. This is the product that I'm super excited about. It's a balloon bag. Like, instead of using plastic like mattress bags that we usually use, you have a reusable balloon bag right here, and I think it comes in more than one sizes. And this is a pretty large bag right here. You can fit like a whole garland. I love that it's reusable. So, you know, sustainability. I'm all about sustainability. So this is the bag. Those are all the products that they sent to me, and I'm excited to use all of them. So as I said earlier, this is a basic balloon tree tutorial, so you won't need a whole bunch of materials. I'm going to be using a balloon inflator, a balloon sizer, and 3 different colors: black, chrome silver, and a teal. And I'm also going to be using a jumbo mylar star. Mylar also means foil. And I have my lamp pole right here, which I think I'm going to shorten a little bit. Depending on how tall it looks at the end, I might shorten it. I think I want to go with 9 inches for this balloon tree. My first pair. So now I have my first 2 pairs, and I'm going to wrap them around each other, and I'm going to be wrapping it around 3 or 4 times to make sure that it's well secured. So now I have my first cluster of 4. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this step 4 more times, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I assemble it onto my pole. Alright guys, so I have all of my balloons inflated. I have 5 clusters in total, and I went ahead and took the top pole off of this lamp pole because the mylar that I have is super big. It's like 40 inches. It's like a big 40-inch star, and if I had put it on top of that high pole, then it would have just been all the way in the ceiling, and I just feel like that's too much. All right, you guys, so when I wrap my cluster around the pole, I do not want both of the black balloons to end up next to each other like this. I want it to look like this instead. So what I like to do to ensure that the black balloons or the same color balloons don't end up next to each other whenever I'm creating balloon columns or balloon trees, start off like this. Make sure that they're next to each other, and then I slide the pole between one of the black balloon and the silver balloon, or like the black balloon and the other color balloon. So I'm going to go ahead and slide the pole between these two balloons. So when I twist them, they won't end up next to each other. So now that I have the pole between these two balloons, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it and push down the middle. That way you ensure that the balloon stays and it's in place. So now you can see that the two black balloons aren't next to each other. You can wrap it more than once. Like I could have went ahead and wrap it again, and then I would have to do something like this to the other two balloons. A lot of people like to wrap it twice for extra security, but I wrap my column balloons once and I never have issues with them. But those are your two options whenever you're wrapping your balloons. So for the second level, I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same step. Insert the pole between the two balloons and then wrap it. And you should end up with something like this. So that is it for the bottom level, and then I'm going to move up to the top part of my pole. So repeating the same step. And that is it for the top part of my balloon tree. All right guys, so now that I'm done with all of my clusters, I'm gonna go ahead and inflate this 40-inch silver mylar star so I could attach it to the top of the tree. And you guys see how big it is? That's why I had to remove one of the poles, because it would have just been in the ceiling. So I'm going to go ahead and use my hand pump. So I have my handy dandy hand pump right here, and I'm just going to be inflating it. You can start with the electric balloon inflator and then go in and finish it off with the hand pump, but I want to see how good this hand pump works. Absolutely not. So the hand pump works really well, but this is a 40-inch star. I was going to be here all day. You guys, I have my silver 260 and I'm going to be attaching it to the tail of my mylar just so I can put it on top of my balloon tree. So this is how I attach 260s to foil balloons. I start at the tip of the tail and then I start folding downwards. So this is how it's supposed to look when you fold it down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tie it. I put like 2 knots in it to ensure that it's secured. And now I'm left with this. All right, guys, so now that I have my 260 balloon attached to the mylar, I'm gonna go ahead and install it to the top of my pole, and it's supposed to look like this when I'm done. So first I'm going to place it where I need it to be Then I'm gonna take both ends of my 260 balloons. So I have one end of my 260 balloon on this side and the other end over here. And I'm going to take the first one and wrap it around the second level of the balloon tree. And then the same for over here. I'm just going to wrap it around the second level over there. Make sure that you're pulling on the 260s to hold the star down, and then make 2 knots where the 260s meet in the middle. And basic balloon tree. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Was this an easy tutorial to follow? Did you guys learn anything? Also, if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel as yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. And also, the direct link to the Medium website will be in my description box down below. So go ahead and check them out, and then let me know how your experience went. That is all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll definitely catch you guys in my next video. Bye. And I'm going to be using 3 colors. No, I don't want to say that. You guys should turn the AC on or something. It's hot. So I went ahead and removed the top pole, and now I'm left with this. I think it's about 5 feet. Does this look like 5 feet? Yeah. Of course, I don't want the blacks. The blacks.
Racist. The colors.
Oh my god, that did not come out right. Head and inflate this mylar. It's just a silver star, and it's about 40 feet. 40 feet.
40 feet.
That's big.
That's gigantic.
Yeah, 40 inches. That's what I meant. All right.